Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
O servants of Allah, you and whatever you desire from this world are like guests with fixed period of stay, and like debtors called upon to pay. Life is getting short while the records of actions are being preserved. Many strivers are wasting their efforts, and many of those who exert are heading towards harm. You are in a period when steps of virtue are moving backwards. Steps of evil are moving forward, and Satan is increasing his eagerness to ruin people. This is the time that his equipment is strong, his traps have been spread, and his prey has become easy to catch. O people, you are in this world, the target for the arrows of death. With every drinking there is choking, and with every eating there is suffocation. You do not get any benefit in it except by foregoing another benefit, and no one among you advances in age by a day except by the taking away of a day from his life. Nothing more is added to his eating unless it reduces what was there before. No mark appears for him unless a mark disappears. Nothing new comes into being unless the new becomes old. No new crop comes up unless a crop has been reaped. Those roots are gone whose offshoots we are. How can an offshoot live after the departure of its root? I advise you, O people, to fear Allah and to praise Him profusely for His favors to you and His obligations on you. See how He chose you for favors and dealt with you with mercy. You sinned openly, He kept you covered. You behaved in a way to incur His punishment, but He gave you more time. O people, certainly this world is a passage while the next world is a place of permanent abode. So, take from the passage all that you can for the permanent abode. Do not tear away your curtain before Him who is aware of your secrets. Take away from this world your hearts before your bodies go out of it, because herein you have been put on trial, and you have been created for the other world. I warn you of this world, for it is the abode of the unsteady. It is not a house for foraging. It has decorated itself with deception and deceives with its decoration. It has a house which is low before Allah. So, he has mixed its lawful with its unlawful, its good with its evil, its life with its death, and its sweetness with its bitterness. Allah has not kept it clear for his lovers, nor has he been niggardly with it towards his foes. Its good is sparing, its evil is ready at hand. Its collection would dwindle away. Its authority would be snatched away. Its habitation would be desolation. What is the good in a house which falls down like fallen construction, or in an age which expires as the provision exhausts, or in time which passes like walking? O people, look at the world like those who abstain from it, and turn away from it. By Allah, it would shortly turn out its inhabitants and cause grief to the happy and the safe. That which turns and goes away from it never returns, and that which is likely to come out is known or anticipated. Its joy is mingled with grief. Herein man's firmness inclines towards weakness and languidness. The majority of what pleases you here should not mislead you, because that which would help you would be little.